Thanks for watching this Tech to Connect video tutorial. The topic of this tutorial is visibility enhancements on the Android tablet. We will look at screen zoom, font size, adjusting contrast of fonts and keyboards, and magnification. All of these visibility enhancements are found within the accessibility features. To locate the accessibility, we will click on the settings icon. This could be anywhere on your screen, but can be identified with this gear icon. We'll select that and then scroll down to find accessibility and then vision enhancements. The first one that we're going to look at is screen zoom. That's here at the bottom. I'm going to zoom it all the way in. It'll also make it easier to see what we're talking about. So you can see as those come in closer. Okay. Next, we will look at font size. I'm going to open a note and write a little message. So we can see that this is the default font size. Within the notes, we can adjust to a larger font size. But then also, if we want to adjust all of the fonts of whichever app you might be opening or reading text messages, we can do overall font size under accessibility, visibility enhancements, and font size and style here. I'm also going to select slowly so you can see it get larger, the biggest font size available. You can also select between a few of these different fonts. So now when we look at our note, it matches the largest font size. Next, we're going to look at adjusting contrast of fonts and keyboards. We will also access this through settings and accessibility under visibility enhancements. This first one will make a higher contrast of our fonts, so you can see that it stands out a little bit more. Okay, I'm going to select that again so you can see the difference. Okay, and then high contrast keyboard, and we can select which keyboard we would like to use. You can see it change here at the bottom. So we're going to go with the yellow one, and then when we go into our notes or our text message or wherever we're adding text and our keyboard comes up, it's going to look different. So if this is a contrast that works better for you, that's easier for you to see, then you could select that. Molly. Okay, the last thing we're going to look at is magnification. Also through settings, accessibility, and visibility enhancements. So magnification, there's a couple different options. I like this one, and then to activate it through a triple tap on the screen. Okay, so make sure that this is turned on or off here, turned on. And then when we tap, it's going to zoom in even closer, and then I can read through it as I need to. Then I can adjust even larger. Okay. So that is everything we're going to cover with today's tutorial, with adjusting contrast of fonts and keyboard, font size, magnification, and screen zoom. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to check out the rest of our video tutorials on the Tech to Connect website.